Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to find your draft on TikTok. So the first thing you have to do is to click on the plus icon found at the bottom of your screen. So clicking on it, you just have to select the particular video you want to save, want to post. Now click on next. Click on next. So now instead of posting it, you're going to see an option called draft. You just have to click on it. Now this video has been saved on my draft. To see this video, I just have to click on the profile icon here. You're going to see option called draft there, so you can see that I have saved the video on my draft. So guys, that's on how to find drafts on TikTok. If this video was helpful, do also like, comment, share and hit the notification bell to let's get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.